So I'm in the woods, soloing this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? I was told there was a waterfall, but that was some bullshit. But my hair is clean though. That I will say. It's just me in the woods. Oh, that looks pretty cool.
Bruh, I really spent 6 hours in this rainforest by myself. Like, this was the most submerged in nature I have ever been. El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest in the National Rainforest System, and the biodiversity was mind-blowing. Just Mother Nature being Mother Nature. Man, this is how I know God's real.
He needs some milk!
The water was freezing. And I found this little seat. It was like nature's perfect seat for me. And I was just spending hours there sitting, just enjoying the nature, just taking it all in. You know what I mean? Just really no technology, no phone, no company, no nothing. But while I was filming, I dropped my lens. But the biggest trip was the weather. It would go from the most beautiful tropical climates, humid and sunny, to the most violent, stormy downpour of rain in seconds.
This is rage. Every time I try to write the same night, my fucking page. If your hook don't match your talk, then we have to. This is rage. Every time I try to write the same night, my fucking page. If your hook don't match your talk, then we have to. Every time I try to write the same night, my fucking page. If your hook don't match your talk, then we have to. This is rage. Every time I try to write the same night, my fucking page. If your hook don't match your talk.
Ese culo me tiene bien loco, bien loco, bien loco. Mezcla la pastilla con la coda y por loco, por loco, por loco. Me lo mama hasta que se le salen los mocos, los mocos, los mocos. En el carro me chinga y por poco yo choco, yo choco. Yo choco, Taika y YG, wanna boricua pussy. Yo quiero una gringa, una hoe ass bitch. No huele a perico más, mejor huele tusi. El nu en el jacuzzi me mama el bitch. María, Juanita, latina morenita. Tiene el toto negro pero por dentro es rosita. María, Juanita, latina morenita. Tiene el toto negro.